Hello amigos and Vanakkam from Chennai Central Railway Station. Today we'll be on board from Chennai to Coimbatore on board Tamil Nadu's only Shatabdi Express, Chennai to Coimbatore Shatabdi Express. This was first a Duronto Express but now it has been a Shatabdi. So let's get inside and check out how the train journey is, how the experience is and other stuffs. So it's time to board the train. The train is located at platform 2A, which is at that end. So let's see how the journey goes. Finally we are here and now let us check out the executive coach of this Shatabdi Express. The executive coach looks super clean, well comfortable recliners with a thigh support as well, but maybe next time, not today. Today we'll be on board their normal class from Chennai to Coimbatore. So here we are at our coach. Door is bit hard to open. The Shatabdi service starts as we enter inside the coach. We are welcomed with a Dinamalar newspaper on our seat. Much better leg room than the business class flight on Vistara ahead. Tray table. Water bottle holder. Well, hard to Tata keeping a charger here, but bang on time departure from Chennai. Don't know why every time I have kids in my coach and they keep on making sounds. Yo. The service starts 20 minutes after departure with tea, coffee and biscuits. And then after 1 hour, the breakfast service has started. I went for the veg option and the food was very tasty with good quantity, and they even started to clean after close to 20 minutes after the breakfast. So far, super service in Shatabdi Express. The time is 8:45 and we are arrived at Katpadi Junction. The staffs made sure that before we arrive Katpadi, all the breakfast and food and beverage services should be closed. So within 2 hours, looks like the next food option is at Erode only. Morning breakfast, everything is done, and the yellow light is on over there. time to leave, I guess. Have two suggestions for the Shatabdi train. One, the coach number is not clearly mentioned. It is only mentioned over here. And the curtain has only two stops, either it is half full or full. Arrived Jolarpettai before time, and so far no food service after Katpadi. So far the journey is so smooth and the staffs are super supportive. They are cleaning the coach regularly. They made sure we are all comfortable throughout the journey. So when I had some time at Jolarpettai, I went through all the coaches to see how the load was on the train, and this coach was something surprising. It had the new interiors of the Shatabdi Express. This was the first time I'm seeing such interiors in a train, and it was only there on one coach. Not so good maintained, but yes, much better than many other coaches. I tried out this, but this was not working. I arrived Salem before time, and after Katpadi there was no meal service at all. At least they could have provided some snack service in between. Was so hungry on this route, so got to know that after Erode only we will be given lunch. So have to wait for close to 45 to 1 hour. 12:30 and we are at Erode Junction. The lunch will be loaded here. The lunch being loaded at Erode. We are on time at Erode. Hopefully we will reach Coimbatore on time as well. Lunch service has started exactly after we departed Erode. Nice. At close to 1 o'clock we received the lunch. Went with the veg option and the food taste, quantity, quality, everything was super, no complaints at all. Super service by IRCTC staffs over there and Erode. They gave even curd and an ice cream as a dessert as well. By the time we finish our lunch, we will arrive at Tiruppur and the final leg to Coimbatore starts. As there were a few empty seats on the new coach, went there and sat over there to see how the new coaches and the new seatings are. It was so comfortable, much better than those on the other compartments and the standard chair car. Got to know that this will be standard among this train, Coimbatore Chennai Shatabdi, and morely all Shatabdis will be getting this type of seating. And that's it, platform number 6 it is for Shatabdi. So that's it from this video. We have arrived at Coimbatore Junction on time, before time. A very good train journey with Shatabdi Express from Chennai to Coimbatore. Staffs were super polite, super decent and super friendly, and the food was also very good. The only minus would be the coach display number and as well as the snacks in between Katpadi and Erode. Rest everything was super good. Looking forward for more journeys with Shatabdi Expresses all over India, and the new coach, new interior, new seating was super good, super comfortable. They should have this seating throughout all Shatabdi Express to have a differentiate between the Intercity with LHB coaches. So that's it from this video. We'll be back with another video soon. Until then, stay safe, cheers and bye bye.